Okay, this is our stack cooker, and we put the cone in and sprayed it with the non-stick spray. When you're doing that, you just hold onto that cone with your finger and go all the way around with the spray. Mixed just a quick cake mix as directed on the box, and we're going to put that in the microwave for 8 minutes. Okay, I've had this in the microwave for 8 minutes, and I'm checking it, and it's pulled away from the sides. See if you can see that there. And we're just going to let this sit and rest for a minute. You can also check it with a toothpick to test the doneness of the center if you want to do that method. But this is pulled away, so I know it's going to be ready. And then we're going to turn that out onto a cake plate, and I'll show you the results of that. Okay, I'm going to lay our cake taker base over and get a hold of the handles, and we're going to flip this. Feels like it's released. Got a little chunk there, but I'm going to fix that with the frosting. Pull that out here. Section back on, and then just remove the cone, and then we're going to let it cool before we put on our frosting. But there we have 8 minutes in the microwave, and you can do any cake mix that you prefer. I did the strawberry today, and that's our Tupperware stack cooker, and this is just the base and the cone pieces to do this